Okay, so we're entering St. Regis. Okay, we took another grab to watch a fire show. That's their logo. Okay, very nice plants. And this is already the lobby. So we still have time to get to see the fire show or fire dance. Ganda ng lobby niya, oh. Iba ang quality talaga ng St. Regis. Sa baba yata tanong mo. Alam ko sa baba yung fire show niya. St. Regis is under the Marriott group of companies. And soon we'll be able to experience this now that we are platinum, elite platinum.
Just down there, it's 30.
Oh, ang daming koi, oh. Maganda ng quality ng koi niya, oh. Talaga pagka maganda yung lugar, there's always a koi. Yes. Sign of prosperity yata itong mga koi na to. Ayan sila, oh. Dami nila. Ganda ng lobby ng St. Regis kasi open no need for air condition. You have air coming from outside. Ang dami talagang mga koi, so okay, so we'll take a buggy, Berna, going down there, right? The beach. Ito siguro yung mga restaurant, Berna, no? Yeah, you can eat. Uy, meron siyang meron siyang billiard table. Wow. St. Regis has a billiard table, huh? That's nice. Okay. I think this is the waiting area if you want to take the cart. Sa laki nito, kailangan talaga golf cart to bring you to your villas. No, Berna? Sa laki nito, kailangan talaga naka-golf cart ka. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng mga fountain niya. So, antayin natin yung driver ng cart. Ganun ba?
Pag humingi ka ng room number, wala kang room number.
Oh, wow. Ang ganda naman ng design nila dito. Very, very nice. No? Ingay, oh. Nag-uumpugan yung mga, yung mga, ba yan? Yung parang mga kinabit nila. So, while waiting for that fire dance, we're going to chill out in one of these cabanas. Wow, ganda. Oh, ito, magandang chill out area to. Ayun, back to back pala. Pwede rin sa kabila. Okay. So nice to relax.